is Rafi Donato from Drum Tidbits. Our lesson for today is extra hi-hat sounds on the hi-hat. I will teach you how to use yung foot pedal or yung hi-hat foot. Okay? This is seldomly used pero pwede po natin gamitin yan. The only way to practice that is use your right cymbal, 8 notes po, and simply add the ends sa hi-hat foot. So, to further apply this, just use this ostinato o yung common figure, use it sa favorite beats mo ulit or use it sa any groove. Okay? It requires a little amount of practice, pero kaya po yan. I will be using the metronome and yung tempo po natin is still nasa 80 BPMs. So I'll start with figure 2. So you can practically use any bass drum and hi-hat combinations. Okay, so I'll be playing a few more examples, just a few. Yun lang po. Until next time, this is Rafi Donato, Drum Tidbits, Theory 1 exclusive.